Having all apps and updates automatically downloaded across all Apple devices can be burdensome, particularly for those who don't need every app on every device. Some users reported about an issue wherein all the apps from another Apple device gets downloaded into their iPhone. So in this video, we will show you how to prevent apps from being downloaded into your iPhone 14 Pro. But before we move on, kindly like and share our video to reach more users who need assistance with their device. If you're ready, here's how it's done. Go back to the home screen and then tap Settings. Swipe up a bit to find App Store, and once found, tap on it. On the next page, look for the option App Downloads under the Automatic Download section. Once found, tap the switch next to it to disable it. That's the only setting you need to turn off to prevent apps from your other Apple devices from being downloaded into your new iPhone 14 Pro. We also suggest you disable the app updates and in-app content options just below app downloads. But while you're on that screen, we suggest you also disable the automatic downloads option under cellular data section to prevent you from being charged extra on your monthly bill. And that's all there is to it. We hope this video can help you. Please subscribe to our channel to support us. Thanks for watching.